The double O challenge. Smooth versus book sounds. In another video, I mentioned there are two sounds made by the double O. Smooth, like the word smooth. Smooth has a double O like boo. Cool coincidence. Hey, cool has a double O like boo, too. Hey, so has two. Okay. So there's a lot of words with double O's. But there are also a lot of words that have the other O sound when you look in books. Hey, did you catch that? Look and book are examples. So get out a paper and pencil and write your answers. Pause when you need to. Which of these words has the double O sound like book? Pool, school, hook. Choose, took, room, zoom. Foot, loose, boom, boon. Caboose, boogie, balloon, saloon. Answers: hook, took, foot, boogie. Remember, pause when you need to. Tongue twister. Read this, taking care to pronounce the different OO words correctly. Write down the words that have the same sound as nook. She looked through the book at school. The wood was good to cook food. The loose goose swam the brook at noon. The groom took blooms and balloons to the room. Answers: looked, book, wood, good, cook, brook, took. Match the synonyms from one column to the other. Synonyms are words with the same or close meaning. Bloom, kooky, blooper, proof, tooth. Find their synonyms: fang, mistake, flower, silly, evidence. Press pause. Answers are bloom and flower, kooky and silly, proof and evidence, tooth and fang, blooper and mistake. The last challenge today is a rhyming challenge. Finish this poem. Keep it silly. Post it in the comments. I really would like to hear them. First line: I couldn't reach, so I stood on a stool. Second line: anything you like to write, but end it with fool, cool, tool, school, pool, or spool, or any other word you think you can find that rhymes with stool. The third line is my something, when he or she, you decide, heard the boom, and then end the next line with zoom, gloom, broom, bloom, or doom. Any word that rhymes with boom. Remember, it doesn't have to sound like Shakespeare. Just someone who will always keep learning.